Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to freeze selected rows and columns in your spreadsheet? Freezing rows and columns keeps them visible as you scroll through your data, making them easier to read. In this video, I will show you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel. Let's go. To freeze panes in Excel, you first need to identify the specific rows or columns you want to keep fixed. For instance, let's say I want to keep the top row, which contains the column labels, and the column containing the employee names visible while scrolling, so it's easier to associate every row detail with each employee. To do that, select the cell at the intersection of the row and column you want to freeze. Next, go to the View tab. Expand the Freeze Panes menu and select Freeze Panes. Faint line will appear, marking the edge of the frozen area. Now, when you scroll, the specified rows and columns will remain fixed. If you want to adjust the frozen area, go to the Freeze Panes menu again and click Unfreeze Panes to clear your previous selection. Then select the new cell that marks the corner of the desired frozen area and repeat the same steps earlier to freeze the rows and columns. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.